If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and select all so that you don't miss any new updates. So in today's video, I'm going to share a very easy hair pack recipe to make your hair shiny, soft and very manageable. It also helps to strengthen and make your hair strong and thick. So for this hair pack, the first ingredient you will need is a ripe banana. Banana contains a mineral called silica, which helps to make your hair stronger and thicker, and it also helps to prevent dandruff, and it is also known to make your hair very soft and manageable. And our next ingredient is castor oil. Castor oil helps to promote hair growth, and not only that, it also makes your hair shiny and soft. So I'm taking about 1 teaspoon of castor oil, and next you will need olive oil. Olive oil also makes your hair strong and it also makes your hair soft and shiny. So you can use olive oil, or you can also use coconut oil or almond oil. I'm taking 2 teaspoons of olive oil because castor oil is very thick in consistency, so you will need another carrier oil. And for next, I'm using honey. Honey is known to make our hair very soft and shiny and also makes your hair glossy. And next, I'm using aloe vera gel. Aloe vera helps to retain the moisture. If you have dry and frizzy hair, aloe vera makes your hair much softer. Overall, it just nourishes your hair with all good minerals and vitamins, and it is also known to promote hair growth and make our hair strong and prevents dandruff also. So I'm taking a small piece of aloe vera and cutting them into small cubes, and that's all. These are the ingredients that you will need. If you don't have fresh aloe vera leaf, then you can also use aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel, but make sure that it is 100% pure and free from preservative and chemicals. Or if you don't have aloe vera, you can use curd also. And lastly, blend all these ingredients into a very smooth fine paste. You can add a little bit of water also, like 2 to 3 teaspoons of water, to get that very smooth consistency. Also make sure that there is no chunks of banana in it, because once I had such chunks and it was very difficult to remove it. So make sure it is all runny in consistency. It will be easy to apply and easy to wash it off also. So this is how the consistency is. Now I'm going to transfer this into a bottle for easy application, which has such nozzles in it. It makes the application process very easy. And also I forgot to mention that I added like 3 to 4 drops of lavender essential oil, which is very optional. I don't like the smell of this castor oil, olive oil and aloe vera. I don't like the smell of these ingredients, so I added essential oil, or you can also use rose water as per your preference. Also, for easy application, I tied my hair in a ponytail, and now I'm going to divide my hair into small section and drench my hair in this hair pack. And I have very dry and frizzy ends, so I'm concentrating more on my dry ends, and also it helps to prevent split ends. So if you have split end problem, you can also try this hair pack. And remaining hair pack, I'm going to apply it to my scalp and root. It also makes your hair very strong and it helps to prevent hair fall, promote hair growth. So you can apply this to your roots also. We have added all good ingredients into this hair pack, so it's just like getting a hair spa done at salon. It gives such results. After applying it, leave it for 2 hours, and you can also cover your hair with a shower cap, or you can also use a steamer to get better results. And you can use this hair mask once a week, or you can also use it once in 15 days or once in a month according to your hair condition. I usually use this once in 15 days. So after applying this, I just wash it off with a very mild shampoo, and this is how my hair looks after washing this hair mask. I didn't use any conditioner or serum. My hair was air dried naturally, and this is how my hair looks. This is the natural hair texture that I have. As you can see, my hair is very soft and shiny, and it's very smooth and manageable. Do try this hair mask, you will definitely love it, and let me know how it works for you. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.